I got the beeping to stop. The reverse beep, beep, beep. The constant beeping when you back up. A simple, free app. Called Prius Tweek. My tablet won't focus. Sorry. That's the icon. And you gotta have the Bluetooth adapter. I've had this thing for years. I got it at Amazon.com. I think it was less than $10. But give me a second and I'll just do this all in one. If I can get down here and get it plugged in. Alright. So, foot on the brake. Power car up. Got oil change coming up, and get the app. It comes up as CBT. You'll want to connect to it, pair it on your car. Connect. Come on, there we go. Okay, now it should. I have the door open, that's why I got the triangle. And just as simple as reversing beep. Oh, why'd you not connect? It's off. Start. And beep. And you can turn it back on actually. That's that. It's still in reverse. Vanity, my helper. That's still reverse. Hopefully, it's a free app. Everything's free. Hopefully, it all works. And that app again is Prius Tweek. I got it on Play Store. Enjoy.